Being the victim of an attack only to be turned away from the emergency room. News 5's Jessica Taloni shows us how that's happening to sexual assault survivors from urban centers to rural communities.
Many hospitals lack rape kits or the specialized nurses who administer them. Congress is now working on a way to change that, and there is one woman inspiring the national legislation.
In 2014, I was raped, and I went to the closest emergency room. They looked at me and shrugged their shoulders and said, "We don't do rape kits here."
Leah Griffin's case was never prosecuted, but she's fighting for justice of a different kind to make sure all hospitals everywhere have rape kits and the trained nurses to administer them.
We don't know how many survivors walked away from a hospital and then didn't report.
Griffin, who lives in Seattle, Washington, reached out to her senator, Patty Murray.
This problem is the same in every big city, in every small community.
Victims just give up.
Senator Lisa Murkowski of Alaska says in some parts of her state, it requires a plane ride to get help.
That woman is told, don't bathe, don't change your clothes, sit here until we can arrange for a flight out.
Murkowski is now a co-sponsor of Murray's bill, the Survivors Access to Supportive Care Act, making the effort bipartisan.
What I'm hearing from hospitals is, well, there's a cost. Yeah, there's a cost. But there's a cost to every individual who is raped or sexually assaulted and doesn't report, doesn't get their health care, and doesn't get justice.
People really understand that this is a problem, and it's not a controversial one. If a rape survivor goes to the hospital, she shouldn't be turned away without access to evidence collection.
Years after it happened to her, Leah Griffin says she'll keep working until the system changes.
If you're wondering how widespread the problem is, according to the International Association of Forensic Nurses, only 17 to 20% of hospitals have sexual assault nurse examiners on staff. I'm Jessica Taloni for WKRG News 5.